Hey guys, Mark Segala here from Elifin Realty, the multifamily specialist at Elifin. We're out here at the Brightside View portfolio. We've got the 3 duplexes on this side and then these 2 duplexes and 2 behind it. So we're going to walk through one of the units here today to kind of get an idea of what the interiors of the units look like. So if you can come follow me. This is the open living area and then the kitchen as well. And this one is one of the 4-bed, 4-bath units that we currently have vacant. Should be occupied here in the next few weeks as students start moving back to LSU. All of the units have carpet in the bedrooms and tile floor throughout the hallways and common living area. Come walk through each of the bed and baths here. See into the kitchen. They each also have a full laundry room with a washer and dryer. You can offer to tenants. Through here. All of the units here are very similar in quality. As you can see, they're in great shape, not too much deferred maintenance at all pretty much ready to be rented. And all the units have a little backyard area as well, with a little patio out here. As you can see, this portfolio is filled with 20 units. The unit mix ranges from 2 bedrooms to 4 bedrooms, all ready to rent, ready to start generating income. We're about 85% occupied now. We've got 3 units left to be rented here in this portfolio. As we're coming up on the school year, that number should rise. So it's a great passive income apartment portfolio, ready to start generating income with no real work on the front side. So it's a great property. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to give me a call. Again, my name is Mark Segala from Elifin Realty, and my cell phone number is 225-505-4349. Thanks again.